fished from the river and lived off the land, but fate broke its promise and destroyed what they'd planned. And sadness's songbird cries out in the night, no moon in the sky to share the sun's stolen light. The dark glossy treetops shiver from the cold. Darkness is silence in the mountains whose stories are untold. On one starry night beneath a ghostly new moon, the family was sleeping unaware of their doom. And the ground began to tremble and the trees began to fall. They cried together under the table under which they had crawled. And sadness's songbird cried out in the night, no moon in the sky to share the sun's stolen light. The dark glossy treetops shiver from the cold. Darkness is silence in the mountains whose stories are untold. Well, the mountain erupted, oh, it sang to the stars. What came out of its throat would leave more than just scars. The lava ran out, scorched the land far below. The family burned black like the feathers of a crow. And now sadness's songbird cries out in the night, no moon in the sky to share the sun's stolen light. The dark glossy treetops shiver from the cold. Darkness is silence in the mountains whose stories are now